Hey guys, welcome to another Python and Jira video. This script is actually counting the number of reopenings for the ticket, and also, and it's saying when did it happen and from which transitions this actually has happened. Yes, I know. You can go to your history, you can look it all up, but the thing is, you would have to do this for each and single work item. And now you can actually count how much of a time that actually would take. Yes, it's a pretty, a lot of time that is it taking. And this is something that you don't want to be doing. You just want to have the report, see how many of the times this actually has been reopened, especially when you are the project manager, when you're the scrum master, and you're actually seeing here, for example, we have issue key, MSD2, what is the summary, what is the current status, what is the reopen count. So we have from selected from for development to in progress to backlog, and selected to development to in progress. So all of this, and then MSD24. What is the summary? Well, the summary is add, but doesn't matter. What is the current status of it? The current status was actually done. And what was the reopen history? So it was like in progress to backlog, selected to development in progress. This what this means? This means that it's not only the work items that are actually in the status category that is not done. For example, to do in progress in review, QA review, and the other statuses. This also includes the done status, the resolved status, the fixed status, and so on and so forth. The idea with this script is actually to have a better understanding on why some work items were reopened that much. And of course, within this specific script that you will actually have available on my public repository that you can actually clone, of course, for free, you'll be able to define the statuses, and also you will be able to define the project, and you will be also able to define to change the JQL in particular. So you're not going to basically hop around and do all of these changes. You're going to be able to do this from your IDE. And that is the purpose of this script actually. So if I go to MSD24 for now, so it's going to be MSD, it's going to be 24, and it's saying add. Now it definitely says that it's done, right? So from here, I also have the history, but I can actually look in the history what actually happened in here. So I have from backlog to selected for development, and so much. So there were a lot of changes in here, and there was this change from backlog to done. And I can see that in the end it is saying done, but actually it doesn't matter. There was definitely some counting in there. Now probably there are going to be minor misplaces, just like saying reopen count, it's 3, basically it's 4. So one was actually kind of missed, but actually you can see from the accuracy in rest on the rest of the things, it's actually pretty accurate, and you can actually definitely use it. Basically, that's it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. There's also gonna be a new channel that's going to be my personal channel. So I'm gonna be leaving the link in the description down below, so you can actually support my new channel as well. Yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See ya. Bye.